I got my design ready in my Cricut space, and I don't know how much of a hack it would be and like making my life easier, but I put extra like squares, rectangles around my details, so when I'm weeding, I'm not lifting the whole paper. I have a smaller areas for more careful weeding process. We'll see how it works. And that's not my idea. I saw it somewhere and I just tweaked it to our grandma, so it's just for personal use. Another important moment, don't forget to attach all your layers together so they don't spread all through the different mats. And for heat transfer projects, don't forget to click mirror button, and we will lay our vinyl with shiny part to the mat. I chose everyday iron on option, so I hope it will cut nicely. Make sure there's enough space behind it. Okay, let's see. I hope I didn't make any mistakes this time, because I don't have too much vinyl to waste. Already, yes, you can barely see it. I hope it cuts through nicely, because it looks, I don't know, it doesn't look too deep. We'll see. And somehow I see imprint of these words in here. I don't know how it's even possible. Okay, let's try to read it out. I guess I will use mat to help me with weeding, so it can hold to my vinyl. Of course, I started weeding and I was talking a bunch, and guess what? I didn't press record. Story of my life. But yeah, I weed over the biggest piece, and it was really very nice. I didn't worry about these tiny letters because I made their own rectangles. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Yeah, it's past midnight, so I guess I will read it out. And yeah, you see, can't remember. And I will proceed with this project tomorrow because it's 12:07 and my brain is not braining. And apparently I can't talk and do stuff because I'm messing up, and I really don't want to mess up this project. Now it's a very tricky part with Foxy, like little things, these ones, little hairs. I need to fix Foxy design to have just the like bars, not little separate. I don't even know how to fix it. It doesn't stick back. Oh no. Yeah, my little fox hairs got all messed up. And they also got upside down, so I don't think that they will transfer correctly. Oh wow. Okay, this one was better. And this part, my little helper was with me, so I had to turn off the sound to lower all the baby noises. So I put my shirt on the floor and I tried to put it evenly, and I used lint roller to get all the little hairs and gunk off it. And then I used my heater to kinda iron it a little bit to get rid of wrinkles. Later, at some point, I realized that I didn't put the heat pad under my t-shirt, so I was ironing it on the floor, and I freaked out that I damaged the floor, but it was all okay. So I checked correct settings in my Cricut heating app on my phone to see what temperature and time I need for this type of material and this type of vinyl, and I proceed to applying it actually on a t-shirt. By the time I was done, it was well past midnight, because that's when I usually do something like that when my baby sleeps. But I was so stressed and frustrated, so I forgot to make a close-up, full picture of the shirt. But Grandma really liked it, and that's the main thing.